So I was about to wash my hands, and then I figured it out that I didn't have running water, and I didn't know why, but that's the way it was. So I guess I have to find other solution for me to get some water. So I live in countryside, and we have a well, and I love it. So I can just get water from there. I love doing housework right in here. Me standing beside the wood and the well and just washing something. And as the wind blows, so I got a bucket of water and I love it. I love everything in doing the whole process. I like the water sounds relaxing. So I enjoy the plain water just by myself. It's soothing and it relaxes me. Playing in backyard when my narcissist died wasn't around. It was just so relaxing, and I love the grass, the sky, the trees, and the sunshine. Everything is beautiful. So I enjoyed me being alone in the backyard, and I see some grass and some bamboo leaves and some plants. I don't really know who they are. I can't say their names, but I just loved it. I love Mother Nature, and I love that everything was so quiet at the moment. I tried to finish this video, but I think it's not that easy because right now, um, outside of my room, it's so noisy and I don't know. Like I guess when you listen to this video, you will find some noisy stuff you don't really like. I feel bad for this, but I just try to finish it. I like this door. This door is made of wood, and I like it because every time when I walked out of the door or when I shut the door, I just feel like I get so close to Mother Nature. And at least it looks clean so far, and I can see some landscape from the windows. Um, my my dad wants to turn this room to, I don't know, just he wants to decorate the room and then rent it to some strangers. uh, I don't like the idea, but anyways, this is my dad's house. My dad is a narcissist, so I don't expect too much from him. And then I came back to my bathroom and I found that, okay, I got running water again. Great. And I feel like I'm pretty tired. So tired. And I just want to have a rest. And then, I don't know, just do something I like. I've been working, but so quote unquote working because I feel like I myself, um, as a slave, works for free. That's not a good thing. So I went back to my room and I feel like tired, tired. So all I want to do is just rest and recharge myself. So this is the minimal journey, and it's a pure person and lining in somewhere, and I just want to lay in my bed and then just relax. Yeah, and it's like a wave, and it's like a mm, yeah, it's just like me recharging myself.